My drones are grounded. I got a replacement from DJI, and they sent me this remote, and I used it once, and then the connection stopped working, so I got to send it back. But anyway, so here I am on my phone doing some recording, but that is running. I've got to clear a code. I got to drive it on the freeway. Hopefully I clear the code. Got it sold. This one here, hopefully it's going to be my wife's car, because the fuel pump. Now, a lot of people cut the bottom of the body out. I just couldn't bring myself to doing that. So they'll cut a hole right there, and to get to the fuel pump, which of course a mistake. You can see the two holes. I got it out this way. I couldn't get this. I couldn't get that fuel line disconnected. Just couldn't do it, and so I took it out that way. But you got to drop the differential. You got to drop the drive line, which you can see out there. Really, it's not that hard. And then you got to disconnect that from this on the driver's side. That's on the passenger side, the pump. And I did find that you can get some access if you take the cowling off inside there, the wheel well. And so I pumped out the fuel. Now's a good time to drain the differential oil, or change it, check it, whatever. But this really ain't a bad deal. So I'm going to fish that long black cable to the other side so I can connect it to this. It's got like a dual fuel level indicator. And basically I just got to put together these crafty little chrome plate. I got the little rings under there. I don't know where the other chrome plate is. I had a guy helping me. He's not showing up, so it's just us. Okay, anyways, replacing the fuel filter. Got a brand new one over here somewhere. There it is. Get rid of that. Oh man, that's not too bad, but a little resistance on it. All right, that's what I'm doing, and I'm selling this so I can tow my excavator with that. I got to have a F450 to tow it. So I got to get rid of all my vehicles, maybe even my Harley, I don't know. And maybe I'll still be alive. I'm trying to stay away from people, trying to wear my mask. I live way up in here in these beautiful mountains. And it's December something, 12th or something like that. And it's going to rain. So we're going to get some more rain. And we're trying to sell this house. It's a cool house. I designed and built it. I got to paint the trim. It's about 2008 is when I built it. So it's 13 years old. And but in the meantime, I'm fixing stuff up and getting rid of stuff. And we bought some land, sold some land, and bought a better piece of land. We were going to buy a sailboat with the money we made from the land, but COVID happened and put a kibosh on everything. I was going to retire, so I had to go back to work, because you can't retire and enjoy life when everybody else is suffering. And so let's get to work.